Hello, welcome. My name is David Osamoje, owner or founder of What a T-shirt Design. In this video, I'm going to be designing a t-shirt on Canva. Yeah, this is a Canva t-shirt design tutorial. So without wasting much of your time, I'll just go straight right to it. No bluffing, just straight design, straight lessons, straight education. Let's do this. So I'll be opening my Chrome. Go to Canva. Go to canva.com. Just wait for it to load. Should not take us time. If your network is slow, it will take you time actually, but it should load. So here we have it. So now we'll click on create, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. Click on create. Please, I'll beg that you watch this video to the very end so that you can get every simple step you need to know. It's very important. Please, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks a lot. God bless you. I'm doing this so you guys can learn. Please, you can only help me by subscribing, by liking this video, by sharing this video. So now I'll come to upload an image. I'll come to pictures, love. This was one of the ones I did in the past, but I'll just scroll down, and this is the one I'm going to be using in this video. Yeah, I did the design by myself. I did this design on Photoshop. As you can see, the design is loading, so we'll just wait for it to load. So while it's loading, I'll just go to my Photoshop and show you the design. This is the design. I did it myself. As you can see, if I put up the layers, turns up everything. As you can see, turns up everything. As you can see, I did the design myself on Photoshop. So if you are a bit good with Photoshop, you should be able to do this. But if you can't do this, there are sites like FreePic where you can just go and get some design elements you can use. If you watch my other videos, you'll see where to go get them, but I'll still show you at the end of the video where to get them. So I already did this design in Photoshop, so all I'm doing now is just to get my design into Canva and design from Canva. As you can see, it's still downloading. But once it's done downloading, it should be able to do that. So let me show you the site you can go and get your design. So if you go to site like call it flat icons, if you go to flat icons, you search for love, you can just see different designs, different styles. You just have to pick one that you like. You can see different ones, but always make sure you give credit to the creator when you use their artwork. Please give credit to them when you use their artwork. It's very important. Without them, you won't get this design, so please always give credit to them. So from there, you just get, then at the end of the video, I'll show you where to get a 3D mockup, because you need a 3D mockup. So you just click on here. So now you can see it's in our Canva. This is on our Canva. This is all I want here. So what I'll do now is to just click on download. Click on download. It's going to download it. Prepare your downloads. This is just one of the steps. We still have like 3 steps, so I will advise you watch it to the end. If you are still watching, thank you so much. I'll say thank you so much. So you can see, also if you refer a friend, get a free premium photo. You can also get their paid. There are some paid pictures on Canva too. So if you want a full version of Canva, just let me know in the comment. I'll send you the link. With a pro version, you can use their image. You can just search for love and you get good image. Like, let me show you one photos. If I click on search and do love, click on love to show me so many, but some are paid, some are paid. You can see hate, passion, adore, affection, cherish, romance. So many images you can choose for, but as you can see, this one says free. There are some that are not free, but if you get the pro version, I think you can use them free. So now that we have our design downloaded, just go to folder. This is it. As you can see, But now you can see you can't, when you're using the free version of Canva, you have this white background. So if you don't want the white background, there's something you can do. So let me show you what you can do. You just open in Photoshop if you have Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, you may need to download Photoshop. But if it's too complicated for you, I would just advise you just get Canva Pro. It's super cheap, $12. You get Canva Pro to do this. So the next step you want to do is hover your mouse to this layer 0, this design layer. As you can see, if I click on this eye, it goes up. So this design layer, then you come to this magic wrap. Let me highlight so you can see the name, magic word 2. Then you just click on this white, then you click on delete. You can see that deleted the white. So if I want to delete the white here too, click on delete. That deleted that. Delete that too. Sorry about that. Control Z. As you can see, that deleted the white. So now you are left. You are just left with. You are left with your design. So all you have to do is just save as picture love BK6. You just save it as that. I'll save it as PNG. I'll click on save. I'll see it's saving. And now if I go to my, when it's done saving, you can see if I go to my pictures, love, if I just scroll down to where it is, BK6, this is it. As you can see, it's our design. As you can see, it's our design. So it's that simple. Then the final step will be to put it on our 3D mockup. So I already have my 3D mockup downloaded. To get this 3D mockup, as you can see, you would have seen this in all my videos, this style of mockup. I'll show you where to get it. Let me just finish this design. I'll show you where to get it. So you delete this and just bring in our new design. Love 6. So you just drag this in to your Canva, to your layer space. As you can see, it's quite big, so I want to reduce it. I'll just open my mic to this edge, click on 3 button, my Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse key button. I'll just drag inwards, and when I'm done, I'll press enter. Then I'll click on file, save. Now that it's saved, if I go back to my shirt, you can see it's on my shirt. So I can decide to make the shirt white, and here you go, super easy shirt. So you just save this, save as picture, raw 6 full, save it as JPEG. Since you can use this to advertise on Facebook, Instagram. You can pay influencers, pay love pages. You know, it's the Valentine period. You can just pay all these relationship pages. They'll promote it for you. You put your link. You upload your design first on Redbubble. Then you send the link to them. They'll promote it for you. You make sales. That's how we make sales on Redbubble. Super easy. Once you've made some particular amount of, say, Redbubble will start to promote for you. You don't have to do the promotions yourself. So if you want to do that, just follow my step. If you need more info, just let me know in the comments. I will definitely help you. I'm here to help you. All you have to help me do is to subscribe, like this video, share it, and that's all. So now if you want to get this mockup, all you have to do is come to a site called Freepik. As you can see, this is it, freepik.com, and you get this. So please, you see to your right, there's a playlist. You can just click on those playlists, watch those videos. If you watch those videos, you become good at t-shirt design. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow on the next one. I appreciate you, and I will always do. Thank you. Please click on the end screen videos. You can see it's a playlist. Watch those playlists and you'll be super good at t-shirt design on Canva. Thank you. See you tomorrow.